This was me when I attempted a muscle up for the first time ever. This was me just 30 minutes later. And this was me achieving 10 muscle ups just 2 months later. In this video, I'll show you the exact technique, step by step, that got me from 0 to 5 muscle ups in under 30 minutes. And by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to achieve your first ever muscle up. Hello, my name is Sabil, and today I'm on a mission to teach you how to get to your first ever muscle up. But before I begin, let me tell you that this exercise isn't for a beginner. So if you just started out gym, if you just started to work out, you shouldn't be thinking about a muscle up because this is an advanced movement, it's advanced exercise that requires both the strength and the technique. The main reason why I was able to learn it in 30 minutes was because I've been training for over 10 years. I've been working out for a very, very long time. So the problem with me wasn't the strength, the problem was actually the technique. And this is exactly what I'm going to break down for you in this video so you are able to follow these steps to get to your first muscle up. So before you even go to the bar and try to do a muscle up, you need to know the prerequisites. You should be able to do at least 5 clean pull-ups and you should be able to do at least 5 dips. If you can do that, then this is the exact video that you need. But if you can't, then those are the movements you should be focusing on. Focus on the pull-ups. Try to get to at least 5 clean pull-ups and at least 5 clean dips. Once you are there, then you have enough strength to be able to do one muscle up. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. First, let me show you the biggest mistake that everyone makes, which is treating a muscle up like a pull up. These are completely different movements. With pull up, you are going to the bar, but with the muscle up, you are going over it. And if you understand that, that's going to help you immensely. Step number one, the swing. This is the most important part. This will help you get that momentum to go above the bar instead of just doing a normal pull up. Step two, as you are pulling back, that's when you have to explode up. This is what differentiates pull up from a muscle up. Step 3, tuck your knees in closer to your body. This will help as a counterbalance. Step 4, the dip. This is the easy part. So when you put all these steps together, this is how it's going to look with the swing, the pull, the knee drive, and the dip. So here you have it, the 4 steps to actually achieve your first ever muscle up. But here's the thing, you'll only achieve it if you actually go out there and practice, grab the bar, and actually do what I said. If you keep watching one video after another, that won't magically teach you how to do a muscle up. It took me 30 minutes to learn how to do a muscle up, might take you longer or shorter. I'd like to actually hear that from you. So comment down below after you actually tried it, how long it took you to get to your first muscle up. But that's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe the video if it was helpful, and take care. See you in the next one.